Alright guys, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Another light day for me. I went and do a quote this morning. Picking up equipment for some installs we got lined up for the week. Last time I was going to show you guys the CD Jones warehouse, but I forgot. So this is the CD Jones warehouse. A lot different, brother, than the warehouses in Florida. Out here in Colorado, a lot of gas things for the furnaces, the propane furnaces, the natural gas furnaces. It's pretty tight. Just a little difference. What's up, brother?